Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Adobe Photoshop Express application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on your account and you will find here the delete Adobe account option. You can just press on it and wait a little bit. And here you can just select the reason why you want to delete it. And once that is done, you can just press on continue. It seems like for some reason I wanted to say it doesn't work, but seems like it just didn't react to the touch. But anyway, you can just read about what happens if you delete your account, your Adobe account I mean, and if you still want to proceed with it, you can just check mark this statement down below and you can just press on confirm delete Adobe account. And you can see that the request to delete account has just successfully submitted, and they will review it, and soon after your account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.